Vestibular processing, also known as the vestibular system, is a sensory system in the body responsible for providing information about balance, spatial orientation, and the body's position in relation to gravity. It plays a crucial role in helping humans and many animals maintain their equilibrium, stability, and coordination. Key aspects of vestibular processing include vestibular organs. The vestibular system is primarily located in the inner ear and consists of 3 semicircular canals and 2 otolith organs, the utricle and the saccule. These organs contain fluid-filled structures and hair cells that detect changes in head position and movement. Balance and equilibrium. The vestibular system constantly sends signals to the brain about the position and movement of the head. This information is integrated with visual and proprioceptive, sensory information from muscles and joints, input to maintain balance and equilibrium. Spatial orientation. The vestibular system helps individuals perceive their orientation in space. It informs the brain whether we are upright, tilted, moving, or stationary. This is essential for activities such as walking, running, and maintaining posture. Vestibulo-ocular reflex, VOR. The vestibular system is closely linked to the eyes. It helps control eye movements to stabilize vision during head movement. For example, when you turn your head, your eyes automatically adjust to maintain focus on an object. Motion sickness. When there is a conflict between sensory information from the vestibular system and visual input, for example, when reading in a moving car, it can lead to motion sickness. This occurs because the brain receives mixed signals about motion and equilibrium. Developmental milestones. Vestibular processing is crucial for early childhood development. It helps infants learn to control their head and body movements, eventually leading to crawling, standing, and walking. Vestibular disorders. Issues with the vestibular system can lead to balance problems, dizziness, vertigo, and other related disorders. Vestibular rehabilitation therapy is a specialized treatment designed to help individuals with vestibular disorders regain their balance and reduce symptoms. Sensory integration. Vestibular input is one of the sensory systems that contribute to sensory integration, which is the brain's ability to process and make sense of sensory information from various sources. This is particularly important in children with sensory processing disorders. Overall, the vestibular system is an essential part of the sensory and neurological processes that allow humans and animals to navigate their environment safely and efficiently. It works in concert with other sensory systems, such as vision and proprioception, to provide a comprehensive understanding of the body's position and movement in space. Explaining vestibular processing to kids can be done in a simple and relatable way. Here's a kid-friendly explanation. What is vestibular processing? Vestibular processing is like having your very own balance superhero inside your head. Imagine you have a secret friend who helps you stay upright, not fall over when you play, and even make sure you don't get dizzy when you spin around. Where is it? This superhero lives inside your ears. You know how you have those parts called ears on the sides of your head? Well, deep inside there are special things called the vestibular organs. They are like tiny detectives that tell your brain what's happening with your body. What does it do? These detectives are always busy. They send messages to your brain to help you know if you're standing straight, leaning, or even spinning around. They make sure your eyes and body work together so you can walk without falling and ride your bike without tipping over. Why is it important? Vestibular processing is super important because it keeps you safe and helps you have fun. Imagine if you couldn't tell if you were standing up or falling down. It would be like being on a wild roller coaster all the time, even when you're just playing at the park. How does it work? When you move or change positions, your vestibular organs send messages to your brain, telling it what's happening. Then your brain tells your muscles and eyes what to do to keep you steady and balanced. Fun activities for your vestibular superhero. Swinging. Swinging at the playground helps your superhero learn about movement. Spinning. Spinning around slowly helps your superhero practice balance. Jumping. Jumping off a step or a curb helps your superhero understand how to land safely. Balancing. Try walking on a curb or a line on the ground to give your superhero a balance challenge. Dance. Dancing is like a fun workout for your superhero. So, remember, your superhero friend inside your ears is always working hard to keep you safe and having fun. Give it some exciting adventures, and it will keep being the best balanced buddy you could ever have.